Tell me something about yourself.
Yes, my name is Blaise Fogun. I'm in Cameroon, Douala. I'm Cameroonian and a IT engineer. I'm working in IT since more than 15 years right now.
Okay, please. That's really nice. And tell us something about your marketplace.
Yes, the marketplace we start here in Cameroon names Janga Shop. And the Janga Shop is available online right now. The URL jangashop.com. Let me spin it to you. J like January, A like April, N like Netherlands, J like Germany, A like April, and shop, jangashop.com. That is the
Oh,
link to reach our website.
okay. So what does Janga Shop sell?
Yes, we sell anything that can be sold online,
Okay. Okay.
like a physical product,
Mm-hmm.
electronic, and so on. And we will sell also virtual products. But right now we have only product that can deliver to in the real life.
Okay. So tell me, Blaze, when did it all start? I mean, when did you think that we need to start Jenga Shop?
Yes, the Jenga Shop project starts right now since 1 year. Yes, the website is online since 1 year,
Okay.
and now we are still working on having more seller on the system.
Okay.
Yes.
What inspired you, Blaze, about Jenga Shop? I mean, what inspired you in, starting up your own business, your own online business?
Yes, before starting the Jenga Shop project, I was a website designer. So when I advised many people having a shop to invest in e-commerce, most of them tell us that it's too expensive to them, and they don't have experience on e-commerce, and they don't have also experience on internet. First of all, they don't have experience of internet, and considering that is too the financial aspect is too high to them, we choose to implement the marketplace to facilitate how those customers can invest in e-commerce by starting their personal our platform without paying anything. They
Okay.
pay only when we sell their product to them. Yes, we help them sell the product online.
Okay.
So that is how we start the project to see how we can facilitate the seller to invest in e-commerce. And still we start it, we are showing that many people are very interested to build their business online right now.
Okay. Did you feel any kind of obstacle coming your way when you started your business? Did you, I mean, experience any kind of issues during your initial days?
Yeah, we have some few issues, but due of experience I have, immediately I found the solution. Yes, and using your platform, I was the support helped me to fix some issue I have, and those issue I have was especially how to personalize the some option to be to 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 match our environment, and that
Okay.
was that those issue was resolved immediately just by sending an email to the support, and we got immediately the information how to do it. That was very fast.
Okay. So tell me, Blaze, how did WCFM Marketplace enhance your business? How did it help you, start with your startup?
Yes, before getting your product, we find many product online. And let me tell you why we choose your product, because we saw that many people on the internet your give positive feedback, and based on those feedback, when we check the feature you propose, we saw that you have many more feature than the initial feature we have in our business plan. That is why we choose your solution. And we saw also your solution cheaper than others. And we have also the opportunity to test it before paying it. That is why we start with your solution. And concerning any issue, I think that there was not a lot of issue. Even if you don't know anything, make a to make a web design if you don't have any level on programming online, yes.
Okay. And do you think, like, since you have been in the IT, sector, so things would have been a bit easier for you to understand while you were building your marketplace. So, do you think WCFM marketplace will also suit those entrepreneurs who don't really know much about WordPress or aren't that, savvy with computers or aren't that savvy with this technology? Do you think WCFM marketplace would be helpful for those people as well?
Yes, I think that can be very helpful from those people, but they need first of all to know how to use a WordPress. If they know
Mm-hmm.
how to use the WordPress, they will be very faster, the faster way to them to start their business, because you just know how to to install the plugin. After
Mm-hmm.
installing the plugin, you just read the manual to see how to log in as a reseller, how to log in as a administrator, how to
Mm-hmm.
manage article, and so on. It's very simple. So, and you have many video on YouTube that can help you learn very fast how to build your website using that marketplace software.
Okay. Um, Tell me, please, are you alone in this business or do you have a team working for you?
Don't get me wrong, please. Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, sure. I just wanted to know if you're alone in this business or you have a team that is working for you.
I told you we started the business since 1 year,
Mm-hmm.
and we are still doing the marketing to have many sellers on the platform.
Mm-hmm.
And after having many sellers, that's suppose we will have more products on the platform. Now we have many visitors on the website, and I think if the business is not starting as we project to start, maybe it's because some people who are visit the website now don't found the article they need.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but we have many people right now who have already tested the platform and make a purchase from the platform. And there was the system, I think, is built to match our areas, because the e-commerce here in Cameroon is not working like the e-commerce in other countries. Here, you
Right.
purchase the product, you wait to be delivered before making the payment.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's
Yes,
cash on delivery over there.
yes,
Right. Okay.
you pay
So,
after delivering.
but is there someone else who is helping you in this business? I mean, anyone else who is working with you, or you're the only owner and you only manage your entire business?
Now I'm working with a designer, so we
Mm-hmm.
are two on in our team right now.
Mm-hmm.
And I found on your solution a affiliate program that you have.
Okay.
So I can also say that we are many on our team, because those affiliates can be considered as our team because they are helping us in the marketing.
Right, right.
Yes, they can promote products for any shop. They can invite seller to create their shop on the platform and get fit for any sale that shop that was referred by those affiliates. They can get commission of any sale that that shop can make online. So I think that with that solution, we don't need to have a fixed employer that will have a fixed salary. Here with affiliate program, many people can decide to have more money or not. That depends on them, and they can manage their timetable easily.
Okay. Do you have any final suggestion, any advice for our viewers?
Uh, any advice? I think that I will just congratulate your team and encourage them to work together to give us more solution, more flexible solution, to keep our business working better and give us possibility to improve. Yes. And if any other solution, I think your support is always near us to understand, to have a feedback, to have any suggestion. And I think if any solution after any suggestion we have to do after, I will send you an email concerning that. But from now, I'm just encourage them and felicitate that they can keep working as they are doing right now, and keep answer very fast any issue we can have on the platform. To keep answer very fast as they are doing from now.
Okay, that's so great to hear that from you, Blaze. And thank you so much for being here. And I'm sure a lot of people, a lot of entrepreneurs will be really moved by your story and will really take note from your journey. And that will really help them in their future ventures. And we, Team WC Lovers, really wish you all the very best for all your future ventures. Thank you so much, Blaze.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.